Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess where I'm at? I'm at the 99-cent only store, and they have out some of their Halloween decor, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek at what they have. They most definitely don't have everything out. This is just, they literally just put this stuff out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my 99-cent only store has. All right, so we're gonna have to go into voiceover mode because, as you heard in the last clip, the music is so loud. But look at these little figurines. So we have a black cat and a pumpkin, and their head is open, so you can put some candy, or you can use them at a party and put food or anything inside them. And also over here we have these bowls that have skulls imprinted on the side of them. And we also have these other little bowls right here. As you can see, they're skulls. They're calling them bowls. They look like big cups. I'm not sure. And over here they have some tumblers. They had these last year, and I did pick up both of them last year, and I still have them, and I love them. They're my favorite. All right, and then over here on this shelf, you see that there are some potion bottles shaped in a skull head. So you have blue, black, purple, and red. And then on the side of those, you have these pumpkins that are orange and black. And then down here we have these Day of the Dead skull dolls, and I think they're so cute. So she has a veil on, and his pants are everything. It's giving me Jack Skeleton vibes for sure. And over here we have these stackable pumpkins. They go up to 24 inches and they're only $5.99. I found these and I went cuckoo bananas. I knew I had to have them. I am going to probably be customizing my pumpkins, but if you would like them orange, you can leave them like that. I probably won't paint them. I'll probably put some decals on them or something like that, make them customized to my liking. Over here we have these pictures. I have a few of these. I'm not sure if you've seen them in my Halloween videos, but I don't have this picture, but I have something similar. Here are the other options. Day of the Dead. I love all of Halloween. I'm so excited. And down here they have these headbands for a Day of the Dead themed costume. And over here we have some signs. I really like this Eek sign. It reminds me of Halloween Town because of the taxi driver. It's so cute. And they have a ton of neon signs. Well, okay, not a ton, but they have a few. And they have their usual, decor, stuff that's been out before. But here I found these pictures. They're open back, so I'm calling them pictures. And over here we have a ton of cool nutcrackers. Look at all these. Look at Dracula, look at the witch, Frankenstein, and then look at this pumpkin. So cute. And then we have a skull and then a black cat, and these are for $3.99. Such a good deal, right? I mean, you can't beat the 99-cent only store. So if you guys want more Halloween videos, you guys want to be the first ones to see them, then follow me over on my TikTok, because that's where I'll be uploading them. I will upload them here. It's just you won't see them first. So if you're interested in that, then go ahead and follow me over there at ChristyRocksXO. And here we have some fairy lights for $1.49. I was trying to press them, but only the top one worked, but I think that they may be orange and purple. I am not quite sure. And then here we have this really cute boo sign. I think this would go so cute anywhere, and it does light up, and it's a bluish, a purplish bluish color, or maybe two different tones of purple. I almost dropped it. That's why I don't like to touch things. But here we have some spiders and some chair covers. Do you see these chair covers? If you're having a Day of the Dead party, I think these would go absolutely perfect. And then here we have some more signs that say spooky. And here we have some lanterns. I love getting my Halloween lanterns from the 99-cent only store. It's such a great deal. And over on this side, we have some more figurines. Look at these skulls with these crows perched right on top of them. They are so cute. I love them. And they're only 99 cents. I love the 99-cent store. So look at these. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They are like these skull heads with a melted candle on top, and the melted candle just like spread throughout the spell books. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. And down here we have these stunning folklorico dancers. They are in Day of the Dead theme, and I love these. They're beautiful. Beautiful. If I decorate it like this, I would definitely buy them all. They do come in yellow and red, and I just love the way the dress is flared out. It's beautiful. I'm just like in awe of those. So I am so excited for Halloween. I'm so excited to decorate. If you're ready to decorate for Halloween, if you want some cool DIYs, stay tuned, get subscribed, give your girl a little likey like because it's free and it doesn't cost you nothing, guys. So until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.